اردو، چینی اور انگریزی سیکھیں. 学习乌瓦族语、中文和英语 Learn Urdu, Chinese and English.
In Urdu we say lal ya surkh. Lal ya surkh. In Chinese we say 红色 红色. In English we say red red. In Urdu we say Subz ya hara. Subz ya hara. In Chinese we say 绿色绿色. In English we say green green. In Urdu we say Naranghi Naranghi. In Chinese we say 橙色橙色. In English we say orange orange. In Urdu we say Neela Neela. In Chinese we say 蓝色蓝色. In English we say blue blue. In Urdu we say Sufaid Sufaid. In Chinese we say 白色白色. In English we say white white. In Urdu we say Peela Peela. In Chinese we say 黄色黄色. In English we say yellow yellow. In Urdu we say bhura bhura. In Chinese we say 咖啡色咖啡色. In English we say brown brown. In Urdu we say kala kala. In Chinese we say 黑色黑色. In English we say black black. In Urdu we say Jaamni Jaamni. In Chinese we say 紫色紫色. In English we say purple purple. In Urdu we say Suremai Suremai. In Chinese we say 灰色灰色. In English we say gray gray.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And press the notification bell to get more updates on our videos.